Hey, a couple people have asked about number 12. Definitely a difficult problem. It's definitely also very conceptual. So let's say we're given this y equals x squared plus bx plus c. The first thing I want you to acknowledge is that they are telling you that a is 1 because they're not putting a variable there. So let's just go ahead and say a is 1. We have a vertex of -4, -7. Remember, since this is the vertex, this is h and k. And we have to find the values of b and c. What I'm going to go ahead and encourage you to remember is that h has been found so far in standard form by doing opposite b over 2a. So zooming in just on that information, h is found by doing opposite b over 2 times, in this case, a is 1. I'm going to highlight that in purple to make that connection. Oh, that's a horrible color. Yellow. All right. Now, because they're telling us that the vertex was -4, 7, that means that h can get replaced with -4. So I'm going to move right here. H is -4 because of the point -4, 7. That's equal to opposite b over 2 times a, which, if you're all right, I'll just do 2 times 1 is 1. Oh my goodness, is 2. Now it's an algebra 1 problem. We're going to multiply both sides by 2. That gives us -8. Divide by -1, because there's a -1 there. And we have now the value of b. There could be another way to do this. However, the way that I do this, so we have b. We have b is 8. I'm going to go ahead and write my equation. Remember what they gave us. There it is. But now I'm going to erase b because they told us b, or excuse me, they didn't tell us, but we found out b was 8 from that work right there. Now this point is not just h and k, it's also x and y. So if I replace y with -7 and I replace x with -4 using the appropriate parentheses, that's going to give me what I need for c. So we're replacing y with -7 and we're replacing every x with -4. You got to really be careful and use parentheses. Let's solve this now. -4 squared, 8 times -4. Okay, so 16 minus 32, that's -7 equals -16. Add 16 to both sides and you can have that c is 9. And that's how you solve for the missing values of b and c. Very conceptual, but really a good grasp on the lesson overall.